fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them!
June 19th, 2024. A terrifying scene at a Circle K in Bisbee, Arizona. A woman leaps from a speeding Infiniti, running for her life toward a state trooper. Her message, she's been kidnapped and the driver is a killer.
Y'all get him out.
I'll start it from here.
Let me see your fucking
hands. Now.
Show me your fucking hands now!
We'll go over with the horse so that we can help.
7:38 p.m. The suspect drives into an open field. With an AMO helicopter hovering above, agents on the ground face a life-or-death decision. Watch as the suspect starts shooting again, forcing agents to return fire.
Watch it!
Hey, just open the door and go now.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up!
Keep your hands up!
Let me see your hands! I got you. I got you.
Coming out the back!
What's up? Right here, right here. Back up. Get out.
Out the back!
Right here, right here.
Have a gun anywhere?
Not on me. Not on me. Not on me. It's in there somewhere. Hey, look at me. Oh, my arm. Hey, my arm, watch out. Help, help, man. Help, 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 help. EMS. EMS. Hey, you got a medic? Yeah, we got a medic. Yeah, my bag's in the back. If you got it, you want to get out of here. Don't move. Don't move. I'm going to get a tourniquet on your arm. Don't move, man. Okay? Don't move. Don't move. We're running in. Don't move. Hey, let's just cut this cut. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt, bro. It's just... I can't see. I can't see. We're helping you, bro. So tourniquet applied. You need that one on the leg, too. Where's another one?
Okay. Okay.
Don't move, bro. Don't move.
Help me.
We're helping you.
Breathe.
Get that?
Can't breathe. Leg. My leg.
Second turn.
Here
you go.
Help me.
We got one right here.
Help me.
Does anyone have anything close, anything like that?
Oh, yeah. I got a med bag.
Help me, please.
We're trying to, bro. Just don't move. Get his leg straight.
Help.
Get his leg straight. Get his leg straight.
I got one on the hole. I got one on the hole. We need some paws. Back.
Help. Help.
Here's the dog.
Help me. Please. No. No.
Under my thumb. It's right under my thumb.
Can you dump some water on me, please?
Stop moving, dude. Stop moving. Ready?
Don't move.
Ready?
Help.
Help if you need it.
Help.
Ah, fuck.
Is the tourniquet doing its job? Let's see. Let's see.
I'll leave it there.
Just leave it. Take some water.
Stop moving.
Any other holes?
We have another club. We have another club.
Stand by. Chest wound.
Got a chest wound?
Okay.
Help me. Help. I can't breathe.
We got one on
I can't breathe.
I got that.
I can't breathe.
Get him outside. Get him outside.
Dump some water on my face.
Puncture
Dump
lungs.
some water on my face.
You guys trying to shot? Okay.
I got 2 in the chest. Grab this. Yep.
Help me. I need water. I need water.
I'm moving.
I need water.
You're good, man. Keep breathing for me.
I can't. I need water.
Here's another one.
I got another chest seal if you need it. 146. You want some back? Line second. You know?
Oh. You check the back yet?
It's not worth that way. Back.
1, 2, click. We got an exit one. We got 1 exit.
Oh. Oh.
Here's another chest.
Help. Help me. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro. I can't breathe. I'm dying, bro. Help.
At approximately 7:55 p.m., Bisbee Fire Department EMS arrived on scene, provided additional medical care, and transported the subject to the Bisbee Fire.
What is that?
You got 2 in the chest, 2 in the leg. Look at his wrist over there. We need to get him going.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get him going.
The helo is going to meet you guys at station helo pad.
His absent breath sounds on there.
Water.
So
He's got at the station.
They're
They
gonna meet-
just advised that they're landing a helo out here
Really?
per border patrol.
Station? Yeah.
Well, somebody
So-
needs to clarify.
Can I get some water, please?
Grab the gurney. Let's load and go.
Help me.
We're not hitting veins, so.
All right, yeah, we're probably gonna have to drill him, so it's
Okay.
it is what it is.
Perfect.
We're just gonna try and get the gurney over here, get him on as quick as we can, and we'll start working on the way to the station. Does anybody have anything else, gauze or something, just to kind of splint up this wrist right quick, and we'll.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There should be a pressure.
I mean, if you want splint, I got it.
Just something hard to keep it from getting any worse if
Help.
we can here.
We're working on it, man.
Water.
Here you go.
Please. Please, let me get some water, bro. How? Fuck.
They're not gonna be pretty.
Nope. I'm not making it.
No.
Do we have times on tourniquets?
We called it out loud. It should be with our dispatch.
Yeah, it's noted on our call, but I don't know what time. Do you have a backboard here?
Yep, let's get it.
So he's got 2 to the chest, 1 to the
light is this?
wrist, tourniquet
What
on
was the
leg
time of the
and
tourniquets?
arm. Okay. He's got pressure dressings, no IVs. We're gonna have to drill him most likely. Okay.
Yeah,
Because of the trauma.
I couldn't find
He's
any.
bleeding out because he keeps complaining
water.
of thirst. So we need.
1944 was the
Please.
tourniquet.
We're trying to just secure this wrist right quick because it's hanging on by skin.
Okay.
I don't want him to open another arterial.
How?
1944 was a tourniquet.
Okay, both of them.
Yeah, but about the same
All
time.
right. 19.
How?
Can you write that down somewhere?
1944.
1944.
Go ahead. Do you think? I'll get it. 1944. I got it.
And you confirmed
Hey,
helipad at
water.
the station, right? Yeah, helipad at the station. Somebody's going to keep the gate
we're
open
going
for
to
you
the
guys.
station?
Yeah.
Alright.
Please, water, bro.
South entrance.
Please.
No water.
Why? He said 11. I really need some.
1944.
But I can't.
Shove it in.
I can't even get a full breath, bro. How?
Relax.
How?
I got it right here.
How?
We probably need to
Ow.
start setting up everything we can for an intubation as soon as the flight crew gets here as well.
Okay.
How? Some water, please.
Hey, roll.
Roll. Anything out the back.
One on the back, and maybe
down here. Maybe an exit wound down
Guys,
there.
and then please go back.
I need water, please. Before we get in the car, please. Please. Water.
We gotta clip it down.
Put your leg down. Put your leg down. There you go.
Where you want this at, man?
There's little cars. And then go ahead and take. Oh, sorry.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay.
Should be underneath.
Right here.
You got hit right here.
Okay, just tighten that up for me.
There you go.
Alright.
Virginia, please. Water.
Okay. And then, okay, if you guys want to carry him, I'll get the ambulance set up.
Let's go.
Where's the tight on this
Right there on the right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side. There you go.
Sorry, dude.
You good. You good.
That's okay.
Yep. Alright. Ready? Arms, whenever you guys are ready.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
On you guys.
What do you want to do? We're gonna hit this thing.
Yep.
Hey. I'm falling off. I'm falling off.
You're good. You're not falling off.
Gotcha.
Help, 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 help.
You're not falling off, dude. We got you.
Watch your feet.
Big tree.